Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to convert an image into a PDF using Google Docs. It's quick, free, and works right from your browser. First, open your web browser and head to google.com. If you're not signed in, log into your Google account or create one. Once you're in, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, then select Docs. From there, open a blank document. Now click Insert at the top, hover over Image, and select Upload from Computer. Choose the image you want to convert, whether it's a screenshot, a photo, or anything else, and press Open. Once your image is uploaded, click on it. At the bottom, select Wrap Text to move and resize it freely. Adjust the size and position to your liking. If you want to add more images, just repeat the process. When everything looks good, go to File in the top left corner, click Download, and select PDF Document. Google Docs will instantly save your file as a PDF to your computer. And that's it, and ready. In just a few steps, you've turned your image into a PDF using nothing but Google Docs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.